Flavor Flav! This is the #1 hype guy anywhere in the world. This is the one that started it. Put your hands together for Flavor Flav! Yes.
Yo, check 1 2, check 1 2. Yo, Vegas! Yo, check 1 2 on the place to be. Rocking from the bottom to the T.O.P. You don't know how good it feels right now to be here. You know what I'm saying? Word up, man, at the Riding Out Car Show. You know what I'm saying? Word up on the strength.
Right.
It's a good thing that these brothers is doing right now. You know what I'm saying? Word up. You know, not only that, but we need to have more like this every year and in every hood.
That's what it is. Street low, you already know. Let me ride to her.
Word up on the strength, you know what I'm saying? But hey yo, one time for your man. I want to hit the whole parking lot. I don't care if y'all even way back there by the bikes, over there by McDonald's, all over here. One time, everybody in the spot, real loud. Let me hear y'all scream this real loud. Let me hear you say, Flavor Flav! Flavor Flav! Wow! Oh, I'm missing something? I'm missing something, huh? Wow, where's my what? American Express, I don't leave home without it.
Yeah.
Hey yo, check 1 2 on the place to be. I got my cousin that's getting ready to come up in here and rock the MIC.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Remember I told y'all it was about family? Correct. 3 cousins right here. Doing what we do, what we love to do, giving back to you guys. That's what it is. So without further ado,
we gonna bring to you, right and exact, my cousin ProHoeZak.
What's up, LV? Is it time for LV to get on the map? I'm from the Bay Area, but I stay out here in LV. We're gonna start getting people up here on the radio. That's what I'm talking about. What goes on in Vegas? Let's get it in. Y'all ready for some reggae? Bone Claw, hit me one time with the 1 2.
The youngest bit the Rebecca murder them slow. Ragamuffin sent the culture from the beat bungalow. The youngest bit the Rebecca murder them slow. Ragamuffin sent the culture from the beat bungalow. The youngest bit the Rebecca murder them slow. Ragamuffin sent the culture from the beat bungalow. The youngest bit the Rebecca murder them slow. Ragamuffin sent the culture from the beat bungalow.
They turn away when I hit the funky reggae style. I'm not the whole BB King and even go my pal. No agreement, treat the feet, I beat myself with the feet. I see the suckers that are repeating, same as stylist. Yo, Captain Crunch, man, yo, I like your flavor. Can I have your autograph? If not, I get it laid out. I'm universal, with a lot of versatile. I take a bus to Amtrak and then I'm not a cow. Get off the plane, then I catch another train. Hit the motel, take a shower in the rain. Rock a concert, till the vocal cords hurt. Sing a high note, then I get into my shirt. I'm not a bird, but still I'm cooling like Kool-Aid. This is my trade, I'm getting paid by rounds and I made. I'm cold macking, big ol' Mac truck. I'm not a Daffy or a Donald or a sucker duck. Ain't got no money, think it's money cause you Donald Trump. You just a Trump and your trunk isn't full of pump. You turned against me, treason was the reason. You did it to me cause your girlie I was skeezing. If I'm a holy Casanova wasn't digging low. You be a Julia, then I be a Romeo. I'm a lover, not a fighter, but I fight some. You bring it to me cause the reggae style is #1. I got the rhymes, I got the news. I got the info, you got news. I got the buzz of reggae news.
Let me hear you say 702 is in this bitch. Say Las Vegas is in this bitch. Let me hear you say 702 is in this bitch. Let me hear you say LP is in this bitch.
Back on the reggae table quick with the MIC. I'm not fucked up, but my DJ stays in back of me. I keep the hang in my left and open that can be. Cause my baby mama crazy cause the girl from slapping me. When I'm in the club, I'm always in the VIP. Sipping on tequila, ale, red, salt, and Hennessy. mess with me. Now don't get mad cause you're girly in my love. Climbing up the set and make me get your butt cheeks up. And your boys were having fun, so you need to step back. Oh, make me get rid of the real cause they will attack. This is the last call, best believe that. They're about to shut down the club because you don't know how to act. I'm on the dance floor, still feeling myself. Lollipop girl, come in and don't need help. I need a breathalyzer. Lamborghini doors waiting for me outside. Come to the after party if you need a rider. Your boy be spitting fire. Make the panties wet, girl, that's my desire. Don't forget to make the bartender. Show the DJ some love, come down, selector. Beat pop, girl, drop it like the silence on the trumpet. The party.
All the ladies say ow!
Murder them slow.
Say ow!
From the beat bungalow.
Say make money, money, make money, money, money!
Mama said the culture from the beat
All the fellas say take money, money, take money, money, money!
Mama said the culture from the beat bungalow.
Now scream!
Murder them slow.
Scream!
From the beat bungalow. Yes, spit the rip, I murder them slow. Mama said the culture from the
My name is ProHoeZak. That's ProHoeZak. It's spelled ProHoeZak, but the hoe is silent because the power's in the pivot. LV, stand up.
Yeah. Put your hands together one more time for ProHoeZak. Flavor.